One of the biggest fears that we can have when we're backtesting is actually losing our projects, because obviously we've invested tons of time in backtesting our strategy to gather all this data and we don't want to lose it. And this is why in this video I'm going to show you a few ways how we can recover our projects. And let's head straight into the dashboard so you can understand how it works. So first of all, let's open up any chart, because this is the first save point that we get, and this is completely automatic and it will do it over the time. If we come to this bar here, we can see this little cloud and it says project saved less than a minute ago. So basically this is going to save every X amount of minutes, so we don't have to worry about, and if we close the browser or the electricity goes or any type of crash, we have got this first backup. And if you want to save it manually, you can basically click on the cloud and basically save. Okay, and by doing this you could enter the title, comment where you want to save it, and it will do an extra save on top of the automatic saves. In addition of this, if this would fail, we have the checkpoints. Okay, so it's the second layer of security so you don't lose your projects. And this basically happens with every action we do inside the chart. So if I open a trade and close a trade, where I get a checkpoint. If I use the go to function and just go to the next London open, I get a checkpoint. And with any action I do, I get several checkpoints done to save this project as a second layer's protection, as I mentioned. And if we get any complications to open the chart because maybe it hasn't saved properly or there's been any bug or anything like that, we can come to any project, to the three dots here, and open previous save, and this will take us to the last checkpoint we got created. And obviously our top priority in Forex Tester Online is that you are happy with the product, and this is why we've got the share opinion, where you can share any bug reports that you find. And we'll say here that if you do find a bug, please explain exactly how it happened so we can replicate this bug, because if we can't replicate it, we can't find inside all the lines of code where this actual bug is. So please, if you report any bug, just let us know exactly how you did it with all the previous steps so we can understand how it happened. The second is the feature request, where you can ask for any feature you want on Forex Tester Online, because like I say, our top priority is that you're happy, and obviously for that to happen you'll need your favorite tools in the platform. So here, just by clicking on here, you can add the title, the description of the feature, and submit the post. And as well, if we come down to the feedback, we can see all the posts that other members of Forex Tester Online have submitted. Like here we've got a bug report that it says the canvas moved when dragging on other pane. And here we have some feature requests like the 6-hour time frame, another bug report, and we can upvote any feature request or any bug. So obviously the ones that have got the most upvotes get fixed earlier, because obviously it's an issue or a feature that more traders want. So maybe if you've got any features that you want, maybe related to prop firms, you could search up here and just write prop, and basically it will show you all the requests and bugs that we can find about the prop firm, maybe the prop firm challenge or another feature related to the prop firms. And by this, maybe somebody's already done the post and you could just upvote this post so we can implement it as soon as possible. And said this, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Drop a comment back down below if you're not a member of Forex Tester Online but you want to recommend some features for the platform. My name is Jack, and I'll see you next time.